Air fryers have become a kitchen staple for their speed, health benefits, and versatility, but the right accessories can take your air fryer to the next level. We're talking game-changing tools that save time, cut cleanup, and unlock recipes you didn't know your fryer could handle. I've got must-have picks, plus the ones you should totally dodge, all packed with insider tips to make your kitchen life easier. First up, the instant red meat thermometer, your secret weapon for nailing every meal. This digital probe reads internal food temps in 0.5 to 3 seconds, ensuring meats like chicken or steak are safe and juicy without overcooking. Look for models with large LED screens, waterproof builds, and magnetic backs for sticking to your fridge or fryer. Some have wireless probes to monitor food without opening the basket, keeping heat steady. It's a kitchen multitasker. Use it for grilling burgers, oven roasts, candy making, or even checking yogurt fermentation. At 6 to 7 inches long and under 4 ounces, it slips into any drawer. Choose one with a backlight for dim lighting, a calibration feature for long-term accuracy, and a foldable probe for safety. Store it in a protective sleeve to keep the probe pristine, and use it to check fridge or freezer temps for food safety audits. These thermometers are a game-changer for meat cooking. It takes out all the guesswork, delivering perfect results every time. But what is the downside? Wireless models can be fiddly to sync, and you need to clean the probe carefully to avoid water damage. If you want consistent, worry-free cooking, this is a must. Next, silicone tongs and spatulas, the dynamic duo for safe air fryer handling. These tools have heat-resistant silicone tips to flip wings, grab nuggets, or scoop roasted veggies without scratching your fryer's non-stick coating. Tongs often feature locking clips for compact storage, while spatulas come in wide or narrow shapes for versatility. They're dishwasher safe, weigh 4 to 6 ounces, and work with non-stick pans, griddles, or woks. At 9 to 12 inches long, they offer great reach for deep baskets. Look for BPA-free silicone and textured tips for better grip on oily foods. Store tongs in a utensil holder to avoid drawer clutter, and use the spatula for scraping batter into baking dishes. They're also great for serving at the table, adding a pop of color to your spread. These keep your fryer pristine and make handling hot food a breeze. They're comfy, durable, and clean up fast. Cheap sets might slip with greasy items, so go for quality. If you're done with metal utensils dinging your basket, these are essential. Now, let's look at the reusable oil sprayer, your go-to for crispy, healthy air fryer meals. This pump-style bottle, 100 to 200 milliliters, creates a fine mist for fries, veggies, or chicken, using less oil than pouring. It's safe for non-stick coatings, unlike aerosols with additives, and handles oils like olive no problem. Adjustable nozzles let you switch between fine mist and wider spray. It's perfect for grilling, roasting veggies, or misting salad greens, and its sleek design fits on any counter. You can refill with infused oils like garlic or chili for a flavor boosts, and clean regularly with warm soapy water to prevent clogs. Store in a cool, dark place to keep oils fresh, and use it to lightly coat baking sheets for cookies or cakes. This sprayer's a win for lighter, tastier meals. It's eco-friendly, protects your fryer, and gives you flavor control. It is important to choose models with good reviews and be aware that they may clog if not cleaned regularly. If you want crispy results without the guilt, it's a keeper. Now, Ramekins for desserts, the sweet stars of your air fryer lineup. These small ceramic or glass dishes are perfect for single-serve treats like lava cakes, crumbles, or custards, holding 4 to 8 ounces to fit most fryer baskets. They're dishwasher safe, oven-friendly, and double as charming serving bowls for dinner parties or family meals. Sets typically include 4 to 6 Ramekins. Use them for portion-controlled desserts or savory dips, and they're stackable for easy storage. Freeze prep desserts in Ramekins for quick air fryer reheats, or use for meal prep sides like mashed potatoes. Use their format for stacked organization, and store in a padded container to prevent chipping. Their versatility extends to microwaves or conventional ovens, making them a kitchen staple. These Ramekins are a dream for dessert lovers or hosts. They're cute, easy to clean, and elevate your presentation. They're less useful if you don't bake or have limited basket space, and you'll need mitts for handling. If you love personalized treats, these are a total win. Next up, oven-safe dishes. Think metal baking tins or tempered glass bowls. and these unlock a whole new level of air fryer versatility. Designed to fit most fryer baskets, 4 to 8 inches wide, they're perfect for whipping up casseroles, brownies, personal quiches, or even reheating leftovers. They're built to handle intense heat, and their dishwasher-safe construction makes cleanup a breeze. Chances are, you've already got some in your kitchen, like small loaf pans, muffin tins, or mini casserole dishes. These dishes shine for wet or layered recipes, from creamy lasagna to fruit crisps, and they're compatible with ovens, microwaves, and pressure cookers for ultimate flexibility. Opt for 6 to 8 ounce to create single-serve portions, ideal for meal prepping or kid-friendly meals. Metal tins are lightweight and stack neatly in cabinets, while ceramic or glass dishes double as stylish serving for dinner parties. To ensure a perfect fit, measure your fryer's basket before buying. Use a silicone grip pad to safely remove hot dishes, and consider nesting sets to save storage space. These dishes are perfect for anyone wanting to go beyond basic air fryer snacks. They're durable, versatile, and likely already in your kitchen, saving you from extra purchases. You'll need to confirm they fit your fryer's basket, and they can get hot, so oven mitts are a must. If you love baking, meal prepping, or serving straight from the fryer, these are the best options. Parchment paper liners are your air fryer's ultimate cleanup hack. These perforated sheets, available as disposable paper or reusable silicone, trap grease, crumbs, and drips from sticky or cheesy foods like mozzarella sticks, chicken wings, or cinnamon rolls, keeping your basket pristine. The holes ensure proper airflow for that signature crispy texture, and they're sized 6 to 9 inches in round or square shapes to fit most fryer baskets. Disposable paper comes in packs of 50 to 200, while silicone sets include 1 to 4 reusable liners. They safeguard your fryer's non-stick coating, extending its lifespan, and cut cleanup time. Trim paper liners with scissors for a snug fit to prevent curling or sticking to the heating element. Silicone liners are eco-friendly, lasting 100 to 500 uses with proper care. Store them flat in a drawer or roll them in a utensil organizer to save space. Use for greasy snacks, baked goods, or even delicate fish to avoid sticking. For extra greasy foods, layer 2 paper liners for double protection, and clean silicone liners with a soft sponge and mild soap to maintain their non-stick surface. These liners are a lifesaver for anyone who dreads scrubbing their fryer. They keep your basket spotless, save time, and work with almost any recipe. But disposable paper liners can add up cost-wise over time, and you'll need to place food on top to weigh them down to avoid shifting during cooking. Next up, silicone heat-resistant mats, a must-have protector for your kitchen counters. This flexible non-slip mat shields surfaces from hot air fryer baskets, handling up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without warping or melting. Available in multiple sizes, it's perfect for small or large fryers and fits neatly under appliances. The textured surface prevents baskets from sliding and resists grease and spills. Beyond air frying, use it as a trivet for hot pots, a base for mixers, or a prep surface for kneading dough. Choose a mat with raised edges to contain spills, especially for greasy foods like bacon or wings. Clean with a damp cloth or in the sink for zero hassle, and roll it up for storage in a drawer or hang it with a built-in loop to save space. It's also great for protecting tables from any other hot serving snacks. It's versatile, easy to clean, and adds a pop of style to your kitchen. On the downside, this is not essential if you have granite or heat-proof surfaces, and larger mats can take up space. If you fry often or want a multitasking kitchen tool, this is a solid pick. Next up, kitchen cloth dish towels, specifically the velvet dish towel variety, and these are a plush upgrade for your air fryer cleanup game. Made from ultra-soft velvety microfiber, they're super absorbent, wiping down baskets, fryer exteriors, or countertops without scratching or leaving lint. Perfect for drying freshly washed fryer parts or soaking up grease splatters. They measure about 10 by 10 inches, come in sets of 5 to 12, and are machine washable for easy maintenance. These towels double as a soft grip for handling warm fryer baskets or as a makeshift trivet for cooling hot trays. You can hang them on a kitchen hook or fold into a drawer for quick access. Use them for general kitchen tasks like drying dishes, wiping appliances, or cleaning glassware streak-free. Their durability means they'll last through hundreds of washes. Opt for neutral colors to hide stains, and wash with a mild detergent to keep the fibers soft. Keep one towel dedicated to fryer tasks to avoid cross-contamination with other kitchen messes. They're absorbent, gentle on surfaces, and versatile for kitchen chores. They're pricier than standard cloths, and you'll need to wash them often to prevent grease buildup. If you want a premium cleanup tool that pulls double duty, these are a sweet pick. Lastly, let's talk about some air fryer accessories you should straight up avoid. Like toast/bread racks, because they block airflow, burning the tops of your slices while leaving the bottom soggy, and they're useless for anything else, wasting precious basket space. Your trusty toaster does a better job. Egg bite molds seem great for breakfast bites, but they're too small for most fryers, cook unevenly due to poor heat circulation, and are a pain to clean when food sticks. Silicone cupcake liners are way more versatile and easier to use. Silicone bowl-style liners are the worst of the bunch. They trap heat, kill crispiness, and turn your fried goodies into a steamed mess. Plus, they're a nightmare to scrub when grease bakes into the crevices and can even leave a weird aftertaste. Skip these and save your kitchen for gear that actually delivers. There you go, 8 air fryer accessories to level up your cooking game. Found your match? Check the description for more details. Got opinions on these or your own fryer accessories? Drop them in the comments. Know someone struggling with their air fryer setup? Share this video with them. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll catch you next time.